In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your IKEA Family Card points. Whether you're a seasoned IKEA shopper or just starting to take advantage of the perks of being a family member, understanding your points can enhance your shopping experience. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official IKEA website. You'll find the site navigation to be quite user-friendly, guiding you through various categories of home furnishings and goods. Once there, locate the Hedge login option, usually displayed at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, you can proceed to sign in. But if this is your first visit, you'll want to create an account to access all the benefits. Click on Sign In once you're on the login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address. Make sure it's the email tied to your IKEA family account for seamless access. Then continue by clicking on the option to log in using your password. Enter your password carefully. If it's your first time or you've forgotten it, look for a reset option to gain access without hassle. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed back to the main page. Here's where the real action begins. Click on your profile name, which will take you to your IKEA family profile. It's here that you can directly access information about your IKEA family points. Once you're in your IKEA family area, navigate to the section titled Your IKEA Family. As you scroll down, you'll come across a part dedicated to your rewards. In countries where the program is supported, you should see a points or rewards balance section right on your dashboard. This area will provide you with detailed insights including your total accumulated points, recent transactions, and, if applicable, expiry dates of any older points. Keep an eye out for options like My Rewards or Points History in case you want to delve deeper into your past activity. With your points balance at your fingertips, you're ready to explore rewards. Simply head to the IKEA Family section and then on to Rewards. Here, you'll discover a range of available offers, coupons, or vouchers that you can redeem using your points. By clicking Redeem, you'll find instructions on how to claim these discounts or store vouchers. To stay organized and informed, make use of the History feature to track your transactions and expiry dates more effectively. In some regions, My Rewards or Points History will offer you a comprehensive activity log, making it easier to plan your next redemption. Finally, for those who want to ensure they never miss out, there's a handy feature under More Ways to Collect. By enabling email or SMS notifications in your profile settings, you can receive timely reminders about any points that are about to expire. And there you have it. You're all set to manage and make the most of your IKEA Family Card points. Happy shopping!